Hello, welcome. Still on the equation of motion and mechanic dynamics. This is episode number 12. We have this question. We are to determine the greatest height reached when a particle is projected vertically upward from a given point with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. The force of gravity is going to be 10 meters per second square. So let's see if I have, let's say this is our ground. We have a body projected to get to this height. At the initial point, the initial velocity we are told that propel the body upward is 20 meters per second. Now, when a body is able to reach at this maximum height, that is when you throw an object, before it will fall down, it will reach the maximum height. At that point, there is no velocity again. That's why it's going to be final velocity will become what? 0 meter per seconds. Now, what again? The time taken to reach that particular height is unknown. We were not told, it's not given, but we are asked to find the distance that is being covered from the ground to the top, or from whatever it was propelled from. We are looking for that distance. Determine the greatest height from here to here. Now, as the body is going, it is involving what we call an acceleration. So let's say we have this as the acceleration. So acceleration is what propels the body up. But force of gravity is also a force that pull object towards the center of the earth. So force of gravity is coming down. So as it is coming down, acceleration is going in the opposite direction. Therefore, your acceleration is going to be equals to negative of the gravity. It is not moving with respect to the gravity. So we are going to have acceleration to become negative of what? Gravity. And these are all the information provided. No time. If you take the first equation, there is a time, no distance. Second equation, there is a time in there is a distance. But because there is no time, we cannot go along with that. Then we go for the third equation. So I can only say that from, what will it be? V squared equals to U squared plus 2AS, where S is a distance, U initial velocity, final velocity, A is given in terms of negative gravity. So I only do substitution. This become 0 square, still 0. This become 20 square, 2 times the acceleration, negative 10. The distance is what we are looking for, still unknown. All right, what do? We are now going to find, okay, let me still maintain 0, equals to 20 times 20 will be 400. Negative 10 times 2 will be negative 20 times what? S, as in terms of distance. Now let's take this negative to come to the left to become positive 20 distance, then 400. If we divide both sides by 20, you can see your distance is going to be this cancel here, and this is going to be 20. So therefore, the greatest height reached is going to be 20 what? Meters. All right. Now, we learned always from the beginning, preamble is very important. When the preamble is outlined, then you think about what equation can be applied to it, provided you identify the question to be under equations of what? Motion. All right. Don't forget to like the episode, share the video, endorse people to subscribe if they have not, and come back for more.